Okay, here we have the cube. Now I've taken some of that paint off. This is the police auction one. I got for 10 quid. As you can see, all the black paint has started to come off. I just brought some thinners, put it on a sponge, and just carried on wiping until it started to come off. There's about 3 layers: orange, red, and black. As you can see, it's not quite done yet. I need to get some more thinners and some more sponges because I kind of killed the sponges. You see there where it's starting to not quite off. You can see here where it really has started, you know, it was completely black before and wrinkly and nasty. But even this logoing here is starting to come through. You see a bit there, it needs a bit more. I'll give it a wipe down with some more sponges and some more thinners, and we'll all be good. On the other side, this is powder coat. I think that's what it is. And the other stuff was just spray paint out of a rattle can. And the thinners just eats through that like it's nothing. So even the logoing on the top still there. You see the other half of it. We haven't got onto these nooks and crannies yet, but it will happen. So yeah, from rags to riches almost. That concludes this video of the cube.